There's 3 caulking irons to do this job.
Yeah, okay.
You start off with this one,
Yeah.
that one,
Yeah. Oh, yeah, narrow.
narrow. And you go to that one.
Yeah.
And when you finish that, you go to this one to harden.
Oh, yeah, that's the real thick one with the groove.
That's right.
Oh, no, it's flat on the bottom.
Flat on the bottom.
Yeah.
That's what you use.
Yeah,
Just
okay.
to do this little job.
Yeah.
And you see, I know that you guys never have caulking irons.
No.
And then this one here now, you roll it in.
Yeah. Okay.
See?
Oh, yeah.
See that?
Yep.
See that?
Yeah.
Now that's all going in that little hole.
Yeah. And that's the volume of
Just
it.
knock
when
that there.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the thickness of it there.
Yeah, when, to go in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we dropped a bit.
That's okay. Now when you do these to join them,
Yeah.
you just join them like that.
Oh, yeah, sort of fluff them together a bit.
Just pull them together.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'll just tuck this.
And that's
in.
why if you use that hard stuff, you couldn't join it properly.
No, but it's stringy.
Yeah.
See, now I sat
So
that
it's
there.
got, yeah.
I'm sitting
Oh,
that
yeah.
there.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah.
It's pretty easy to do.
Yeah. So
See
you're
that?
not putting stress on the
No.
join and the caulking when you're doing
No,
it.
that's right. See? And then that's all punched in
Yeah.
like a big dick in a fanny.
Yeah. And then away you go again.
There you go again.
All right.
So now I do this like this. I just enter it. Enter.
Yeah.
Enter, 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 and you can teach anyone in the world to do it.
Yeah.
And see my hand I'm doing, I'm
Yeah.
putting the same pressure on it,
On it all the time.
all the time as the art,
Yeah.
and I stop there, and taking that one, the thin one
Take
off,
the thin one away.
the second one, which is that one,
Yeah.
then I drive that in with my finger as a gauge.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
There you see how it's going harder.
Yeah.
See that?
You can hear it going hard.
Well, imagine putting that on your finger.
Yeah.
See that? Just make sure she's in the whiskers. There are whiskers that's there.
Yeah.
Now you couldn't get those on your material.
No.
See that?
No.
Now when you push it in, you've got to angle it so it's going in and hitting up.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Don't go straight in and you push it through.
Okay. I'm with you.
This is a square joint
Yeah.
here. It's got,
Yeah.
got a,
Hasn't got a land
it
on it.
hasn't got no lens
Yeah.
on it.
So
Now
you've got to
come
be
back
careful
here,
not to-
come back to here where it's there.
Done too. Yeah.
Get your gauge.
Yeah.
Now, can you imagine trying to get that out?
Yeah.
Now that's a big crook in there. I don't know what it is. It could be
It's soft.
big soft. Yeah.
Yeah.
But we won't worry about it because it's not crumbling.
All right. That's beautiful.
I think you're